Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi on Girl Garden Easy Guide. Rinse and cook short-grain rice, season with rice vinegar, and let it cool to room temperature before rolling. Prepare your fillings and layout on a clean surface, and keep a bowl of water handy to wet your fingers. Move calmly, use gentle pressure when rolling, and slice with a very sharp, dampened knife for clean pieces. Start by laying nori on the mat and spreading rice evenly, leaving a 1-inch border. Add fillings in a centered line, keeping them moderate to avoid overstuffing. Use the mat to lift and tuck the edge closest to you, then roll away with steady, even pressure. Seal the final edge with a little water and let the roll rest a minute before slicing to keep shape and texture. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and instructions anywhere, and it feels great to flip through a recipe while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps you follow along. Now let's get back to the video. Think about texture and balance when choosing fillings, like crisp cucumber and creamy avocado paired with tender fish or tofu. For a garden vibe, use pickled vegetables and marinated tofu to add brightness and depth. Keep flavors complementary and cut ingredients into long, even strips so they roll neatly. Taste as you go and adjust sauces or seasoning to suit your preference before making the final rolls to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.